Okay, so if you watch the 3 videos above, you've seen there's some serious challenges to making money online. And the solution is to take control. So I want to introduce you to the world's first direct selling web development opportunity. So there's going to be 2 very distinctive ways in which you can make money here. The first one, we call it the Profit Hub system. So that is you owning your own hub where you control every aspect of your business and you do not share your traffic, share your leads, share your money. Everything is about you, for you. See, the uncomfortable truth today about online marketing is you don't own your platform. You don't control your traffic. You don't control your leads. You don't control your message. You're building somebody else's brand, not yours. You're renting your business and they can evict you at any time. Sending your traffic to affiliate pages, doing your marketing solely through social media. You own nothing. Sharing links is building somebody else's empire. How about I show you a way that any link you want to share, you can bring it right inside your own website, right directly inside your domain. No sharing your traffic with anybody ever again. See, there's a better way than what the gurus are telling you. The solution is to own your own Profit Hub system. You own it. A complete website system you own 100%. Nobody can ever take that away from you. There isn't a single top earner in the internet marketing sphere that does not have their own website. It's not optional. It's 100% mandatory. See the little circle in the middle? That's you. Your ownership, your tools. You can convert something that is conversion focused, not just pretty. I made millions online using professionally designed templates. You have the highest converting quality professional design pages on the planet. Hosting included, setup included. Control in your business is a must. Again, like we talked about in the 3 business killers above, you need to control your traffic. You need to control your leads. You control the message. It is your message that you're developing with your prospects. You need to build your brand. And we're going to give you the entire system to control your business 100%. Not only that, we're going to include enterprise tools that high-end companies pay thousands for. We're going to pack your system with a real-world cost of over $3,000 in marketing assets. There is nobody on the planet that will do this for you. Lead generation systems, traffic conversion tools, e-commerce capabilities, built-in affiliate program settings where you can run your own affiliate programs, marketing automation. And because it's your hub that you own, that you run exactly the way you want, you keep all of the money. We're just going to help you build it. It's 100% owned by you, operated by you, and you get 100% of the income. We're going to give you a conversion-focused template for every niche, customizable in mere minutes, designed by marketers, okay? Not pretty pages, but professional pages, conversion-focused, designed by real marketing professionals. And our commitment to you is to provide 10x the value of anybody else. One of the things you're going to be able to copy with your system is a value proposition that will absolutely destroy your competition. So what am I talking about? Well, when we deliver your Profit Hub system that's custom made for you, we're going to put so much value in it, we're going to cram it with 10x value. So what am I talking about? Well, our Profit Engine enterprise product has over $3,000 worth of products built in. The actual factual retail price that if you rebuilt it, it would cost you more than $3,000 for what we're going to put in there. But not only are we going to give you the best system on the planet, but we are going to cut the cost so low it would chop 90% of the cost right off the bat. Plus, we're going to give you an extra income opportunity. Remember at the beginning, I told you that we're going to allow you to be part of the first ever direct selling opportunity in the web development industry. If every one of your prospects is trying to make money online, and if the number one tool required to make money online is a website, then you have the product for them. If the number two tool to make money is an email CRM, we have that built into this tool. Do you understand? Oh wait, you got the number one tool and you got the number two tool? And we're going to top it off with about 3,000 in total tools. So when you are out there trying to make money online, what should you be selling? Well, how about the things that the people absolutely positively need the most? They need a website, it's not optional. They need a messaging machine, not optional. You'll be able to give them an SMS machine, an email machine. Wow, wow, wow. And best of all, you'll be able to give them all of these things for a far lower cost than any other competitor in the marketplace. This isn't just a massive system. It's an income opportunity. So 3 things that make our special income opportunity truly unique. First of all, in web development, usually the maximum compensation any web development product pays is 10 to 15%. We're going to give you an unheard of 80%, letting you earn commissions up to $240 for one sale. Unheard of in web development. Does not exist except for right here on this page. Then we have a unique infinity powerline system, meaning that as part of the compensation plan, when you introduce it to other people, they have to pass up some sales to you, giving you a truly passive income system. Imagine getting money from sales that you didn't make. Wow, that's special. And finally, we have something that is the real 7-figure potential of this business, is because I own a web development company with software developers and website developers. We build all kinds of tools and programs that we're going to put in a private store that only you and your members are going to be allowed to even look at. Again, products that cost $97 a month, $300 a month, these kind of things where people will be able to buy them for $25, $50 one time. Entire massive software as a service programs that other companies charge $25,000 for, we're going to have a highly discounted price inside a private store. And every time somebody in your massive downline is going to make a purchase, you are going to get a part of that money. There is no system like it. So I'm going to do a little tiny demo to show you the mind-bending income you can make. One thing about the Profit Hub system is we're totally transparent. Almost all the other biz ops on the planet, they don't tell you how the money is really earned and how you can actually calculate it and make a plan. Because my competitors have every trip, trap, and secret breakage technique to steal money from you. I want to put as much money in your pocket as possible. So watch how simple this is. So you can start doing per day, per week, per month, per year. Let's just go per year, okay? Just per year. Let's say you're only going to get 10 sales for the whole year. So that means already you have made $200 per month. You've made $2,400. Now that's not life-changing money, but that means you're only making a sale basically every month. And it shows you how everything breaks down for you. We'll go over this on webinars to really explain truly all the ways you can mix and match your efforts to really focus on your income. But for 10 sales, you're going to make approximately this much money, okay? Now, remember I told you we had this pass-up program, right? Everybody owes you pass-ups. If they make sales, some of those sales are going to pass up to you. So you can decide how many pass-ups are going to happen per direct sale. Like you got 10 people, right? Because you made 10 in 1 year. So let's say each person passes you up one. Okay, well, that's probably not likely. So down here, I've just taken that and I said 30%. And now all of a sudden, this is telling me that I have doubled my money on sales that I've never made. Remember, I made 10 sales in a year. Anybody can make 10 sales for an entire year. We're going to show you how to make that per week if that's what your goal is, okay? You just have to do the work. We're going to show you how. But now, you had 2,400, and now you got another 2,400 in estimated pass-up commissions. This is based on numbers you get to decide because it's your effort, your business. Then we have the store. And website owners are the highest spenders. And in my program, the average website owner spends $125 a month with me. I have been selling websites for about 12 years, okay? So in the products that we produce for them at a discount, they spend roughly about $125. Why? Well, because they can't get these products from anybody else for such a highly discounted price. So this is what the average website owner of people that we built a website for. Now, in the system, if your buyers are doing the same thing as my buyers do, this is going to generate you an additional $3,875 per month. Now, if we go to our totals, this is based on you only bringing in 10 people. And this is no bullshit digital download product that's not worth anything, and get almost $50,000 in annual commission. Now, am I saying that's what you're going to do? No, because you may not get any sales. You may not talk to anybody. You may not do anything. But then you would still have your own website, and you would still be able to control your entire business. If you let us build one of these websites for you, and you share it with other people, there is no other legitimate opportunity on the planet that can generate you this kind of money. And when I say a legitimate opportunity, you're not selling a bag of air. You're selling a website. You're selling email software, SMS software, marketing automation software, Facebook, Instagram, video software, AI tools. These are all legitimate products that legitimate business owners want in their business. And you can start by doing 10 sales in 1 year and reach a potential of $50,000 from 10 sales. Could you just imagine if you started doing 1 sale a week, 52 sales, 1 sale a week? We're going to show you how to do everything. All the sales material, all of the coaching, all of the private webinars for you to sell anything you want. But of course, you can't make any more money than selling the top necessary products in our industry. So if you just did 1 a week, we just want you to imagine a little bit. Just for your front end income, you're making this much per month. With your pass-up income, you make another $12,480 annually. Your uni-level income now is a ridiculous $20,000 a month. $20,000 a month. When I told you that our back-end secret store is the 6 and 7-figure earner, I'm not kidding. Total amount of money to bring in one new customer per week is $250,000. This is real factual numbers. There's no trips, there's no traps, there's no special levels to reach. Just bring in one person every single week, and this potential is there for you. Okay, so we just opened our doors, and we're technically in pre-launch. So we're going to let you become one of the founders, and we're going to give you an exclusive package to the first 100 people, a value over $3,000 just for being a founding member. This is in excess of everything else I already shared with you. Not only are you going to get your own hub, your own website to build your entire business around, selling whatever you want, from jewelry to toys to dog food to cryptocurrency, whatever it is you do. But I'm also going to give you all to get an exclusive white label, an SaaS product. We have over 60 to choose from. It would cost for you to build one of these anywhere from $7,500 to $20,000. Launch it online for you to do whatever you want, full ownership of the product. When I say this has a value of over $3,000, I am not kidding. So here's what happens when you join. You apply, you choose a website template that you want. We build it for you. We give you all the training you need for both the web design, the science of funnel building and lead captures, all the training to sell and reach 6, 7 figures, and you own everything. It's 100% yours. We are just helping you put it in place. You have true ownership of everything. You get to decide every single thing you do on your own platform because it's yours. You own it. Sign up. You choose the package that's best for you, and you really take control of every aspect of your business so that you can finally capitalize on the income that you're aiming for.